Hello everybody and welcome back to theme park Coastin and a very exciting vlog on the channel as today we are running to Fønix for its opening day at the park. And I'm out of breath. It's a really weird way to start a vlog, but we've just been allowed in and we're heading down to a brand new ride itself. And Adam is on the live stream right now, sharing it with you guys, but new ride. Wow. Are you excited?
Yeah, I mean, faces have become wildcat, and honestly, we arrived the last night, it's incredible, but yeah, bit of breath at the moment, so I'm running there.
Yeah, we're trying to actually still running to the park, but today on this vlog right here now, we're going to be taking you throughout the opening day, everything what they're doing, and so much more. Running down, getting there to the ride, experiencing the first time reactions, and showing you all around the opening day on the 9th of April 2022. So if you do enjoy the video and appreciate us running like this, please do like, subscribe and comment down below to see more content just like this on the channel. But with no further ado, let's get our breath back as we now head onto that beauty over there. God, I'm excited. Wow. Wow, yeah, guys. Oh, amazing. Okay, guys, we have made it outside of Fonix, and wow, after a run, it was definitely worth getting here early as the queues are starting to build up. But with only 15 minutes to go until this ride opens, I am getting extremely excited. I think the whole trip's worth it, this ride alone. Like, stand here right now, looking over here, literally a few people in front of us, and then 15 minutes, we're straight there. So yeah, no words can describe how excited I am right now to get on this ride. Let's just hope there's some sort of pre-show or something beforehand, because everyone loves a good old opening.
Yeah, I mean, as well, especially in a different country, you know, I imagine they're going to do it pretty well here, you know?
Yeah, it definitely built up a lot for this ride when you think about the history back. I remember it was like a year or so ago they announced this ride, and then now...
It was September 2020 I announced it.
So yeah, quite a bit ago, and then now, of course, the ride is opening. I've been getting excited every single minute since we booked this trip, and watching it go on the test ride now will give you a little bit of shots before we do get onto the ride itself, and hopefully watch a little bit of pre-show beforehand. How cool is this?
Oh, there you go, just held.
Let's go! Let's go! Is it a mannequin? Oh my God! Oh, let's go! What is this? You don't get this in the UK. This Let's go. Oh, there we go. Look at this, there you go. First public crate is about to sell. Very exciting stuff. Wow. There's Dad just going off right. First ride, second ride, let's go.
This is phenomenal.
Excited?
Yeah, I mean, for me, this is a bucket list roller coaster. Like, I've wanted this for so long now, and to stand here opening day, third of a public train, back row, wow.
Two-thirds of lucky third.
Yeah. Back to 6.
Oh, let's go. is the only word to use to describe Fønix there. Just ridden it, took a few clips. I mean, everywhere you walk, you can get clips. There's so many great spots, and every moment of that ride, words literally cannot describe. That was incredible, and sitting on there, back row, third ride of the entire day, that was absolutely incredible. But Adam, I literally can't speak on. I literally speak to that ride. Just you start. How was that?
Oh, I mean, we've literally just got off the back row of that for our first ever ride, and yeah, third of a public train, and wow, I mean, I've literally can't really explain how great that was. In my opinion, kind of top 3 roller coaster, possibly number 2, and you know, it could move up later on in the day. Wow, that was incredible. And we did also get the red train. There's 2 trains, and yeah, you know what, back row was phenomenal. You got good air time. It's smooth. It really is everything you want in a coaster. And also, as you just said, they've built these special pathways.
Yeah, all and there's a hills where both there as well.
Literally, like, all for enthusiasts. I mean, like, all for enthusiasts and people who actually just want to watch a coaster, because this is one thing which you don't get back in the UK. And yeah, honestly, it's really nice to see. There's so much space to watch everyone on there. If you want to watch your family going on it,
and
so much space.
I was standing for the last 10 minutes trying to get the best videos for you guys, and we got to a point where we're like, okay, we have to end this vlog now because we have there's still a whole park to explore. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, if you do want to check out that video, feel free to check that one out up there as we head around the entire Fårup Sommerland and experience everything that they have got to offer at the park. But that right there, I would say easily number 2 for me, just under X2.
I mean, it was crazy.
But is it number 1? I don't know. It has a high chance.
I mean, this was crazy. I mean, we were just talking in the car earlier, and we said, you know, this may be top 5, maybe something like that, but you know what? Wow, they smashed out the park with this.
Yeah, that's okay. Well, like,
really the
entire experience, as you just saw, we walked past some impressions, and it's just like the opening day experience. If you've never done them before, yes, we've had some of them like Mythica, Legoland Windsor for you UK fans out there, where we waited a good 3 hours for a ride. But also, you have it's just experience the stage. There's people talking over here earlier, we didn't get a lot of shots of, and just experience the whole atmosphere of that ride. That was just phenomenal. The live stream, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that as well. But Dad, you also rode, you actually rode before us actually. How was that?
Before, yeah, I would say it's one of the best rides I've ever been on. I've been to quite a few places now. I would say certainly up there for me with Incredicoaster.
It's your favourite, isn't it?
Which is my favourite, yeah. So this is kind of potentially that. It is so smooth.
It's unreal. It's like, yeah.
It's like, I've never ever been to all, like Disneyland, Disney World, Disneyland Paris, lots of different theme parks all over the world, and that's probably the smoothest ride I've ever been on. And the view at the top of the hill.
Oh, you got to see as well. You can see the sea as well, and like the whole country. And like, again, it's not like it's like a small little flat ride. It's a massive roller coaster, and to be that smoother than some rides like that, it really shows what a future of roller coasters is like. And yeah, that was no. Mum, need to get you on there later on.
Dad said I ought to give it a go and see if my neck could be alright.
Yeah, it is so smooth, and I'm gonna I'm gonna go to the top of the hill, a man-made hill. Again, one of the grab to see the thing to give our final review. So, wow. Get yourself down here. We travelled up 3 days, and it was not just for this one ride, but for the whole entire trip. But if you came here for this one ride, I'd say it's worth for 200 flights down here just to this one ride there. Yeah, so if we get home now, I'll be happy.
Yeah, the thing is, I mean, a bit backstory. So we spent about over £400 to get this up this day, more than we could have if we had a day later. But you know what, that was well worth it, and I'm really pleased we did spend that money to come in.
Yeah, like that is just incredible. I mean, like, I just can't stop my this. This is just one of the best rides I've ever ridden. But on this amazing view of there, I am going to end our opening day of Fønix vlog. And wow,
I mean, one how did Vekoma, like this company built Fønix, built an SLC? I mean, like, how? It's just incredible. Like, I don't get it. It's amazing. Like, the company has been amazing. And yet we've got 2 more to go in this part of Vekomas.
And I think we're going to do a few more rides in here today. So, I mentioned it a lot of times, but if you want to hear a vlog, we had got a vlog get you in soon if you're watching this today. When we do open it, we're posting it the same day as we made the video. Plus, we're also going to have a live stream, which is already posted. If you want to check that one out, really hope everyone enjoyed that as well. But thank you all for watching this video. My name is Tom Derrick from Coastin, outside of the incredible Fønix. Get yourself down here, experience that. That is, trust me when I say, an experience that you're never, ever gonna forget. Wow.